Hi friends, welcome to your Lighting. Today, I would like to show you how to install our new magnetic check light of our factory. The magnetic force of this new magnetic check light will be stronger than before. Okay, now let me show you the installation. First of all, we press these two buttons, and when we release our hand, these two buttons will not snap back. That is to say, they will fix the magnetic check light to the check reel and make it more reliable. And when you want to take it out, we also press these two buttons. We better press one side and take a light out by the other side. Do you know how to install the magnetic check light now? I believe you can, and see you next time.